Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to remove an Audi A6 center console. First, ensure your workspace is clear and you have the right tools, like trim removal tools and screwdrivers. For safety, always disconnect the car battery before starting any work. Then, gently pry off the trim pieces around the console, taking care not to scratch surfaces. Once the trim is off, you'll see various electrical connectors. Carefully unplug these, noting their positions if needed for reassembly. Next, locate and remove all screws that secure the console to the vehicle's floor or dashboard. There might be several, so check thoroughly. Finally, detach any other cables or hoses that are still connected. With all visible fasteners and connectors removed, gently try to lift the console. If it resists, stop and check for any hidden screws or clips you might have missed. Once everything is free, carefully maneuver the console out of its position. Take your time to avoid damaging any surrounding components or the console itself during removal. To reinstall your Audi A6 center console, simply reverse the steps you just followed. Ensure every electrical connector is securely plugged in and all screws are tightened to the correct specifications. Before fully powering up your vehicle, double-check all connections to prevent any issues. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.